we were not able to give them answers in the time frame. So they were carrying the item to be on their agenda month after month. And they said, you know, we don't do that. We have to hear it. Do you have answers? I said, we don't have answers, and we will withdraw it and make a new application when we have answers to those questions. So I did not contact Jay, which was my error.
When was that?
December.
Who authorized you to withdraw it?
We couldn't be heard.
You're a consultant for the county in this role. As a consultant, did you have the authority to withdraw on your own?
I don't recall authorizing me.
So somebody had to authorize the withdrawal. And I'm sure somebody at the county wasn't going to withdraw it without notifying and having a conversation with the city.
No, I believe that I spoke to the group generally, and was told, not on the question, but was told, we will not have answers. And I made the decision to withdraw it because otherwise it would have been heard.
So you actually had the authority to make that decision? I'm just asking because it's kind of unusual that a consultant would have the authority to make that call to withdraw an application with local finance without approval from somebody.
We could not, we would have been voted down.
I'm just asking.
I don't remember
You
what.
made the request to.
I don't recall the process.
All right, so somebody had to authorize it at the county. And then just to understand why nobody knew about it, I know that you're also our advisor and you work closely with our CFO.
Yes.
And right now we're in the middle of figuring, when did this have come up in conversation? Because to understand our debt obligation for next year and our debt level and all that, for the last 6 months we should have been budgeting. And I know you were involved in that process. And I find it hard to believe that in your conversation with our CFO, that this never came up, or with Jay Coffey, who has really been playing the BA role for the last 3 years, and everything runs through him, that no one ever mentioned that this was withdrawn. The city never, this is a big deal. It was $95 million of debt we were going to incur.